All right, this is my setup here. Grabbing the vise more in the middle on the meat part rather than sticking the whole straight fit all the way down. And then I got my clamp on it, so I'm just gonna heat it up with the acetylene torch, see if I can bend this shifter handle back a little bit more so that my hand's not punching the radio every time I go for first and third gear. So I was able to get it by heating up real hot on all four sides, taking the hammer and smacking it right here. It finally started to bend back. So that is good to go. I'm going to try that out. And that should be good enough. If I absolutely had to, I guess I could bring it back, heat it up some more and bend it back more, but I think that's going to be good for what I need. So if you do get the SVE Mongoose shifter kit, when you get this handle, I think the Steeda Trax kit comes with the same similar shaped handle. You may have to bend it back like I did if you have access to an acetylene torch. And then in the next clip you're going to see some driving clips, because you never actually see me drive the car, so why not get some clips of that. Okay, we're back in the garage, and after letting the first coat of paint dry at the shop all day, we are good to go. Always remember, if there's anything you're going to thread on, tape it off so you don't get paint on the threads and it'd be difficult to start whatever you're trying to start on the thread. So let's get this in the car, see how it looks with it slightly bent back after heating it up and bending it back. And I just love it when something works out. So as an initial test fit before I put the boot on, clutch in, first gear, and I have a considerable amount more room, maybe 2 finger thicknesses more of clearance there in first. And then going up to third, same thing. I think I'm gonna be happy with that. Don't need to heat it up and bend it back anymore. Just had to heat it up and bend it back just enough on this top section, just so the threads would be slightly facing more towards, angled more towards the rear of the car. And I think that's gonna work out just fine, because when I was test driving this a couple days ago, you know, like I said, almost punching the radio, trying to go into first and third. And then it was just slightly, like I was basically having to extend my arm at full extension. Now I should have like a slight bend in it for a little more comfort driving the car. And that completes this setup. I'll put the boot on and show you that at the very end. All right, so got the boot back on, and we'll thread the brass adapter piece with our carbon fiber shift knob. And then just to get the numbers to line up straightforward, what I'll do is I'll take my 6-inch adjustable, and on the flats that I milled on my brass adapter piece, I'll grab it by the flats and twist it until we have just about lined up for it, just like that. Plus we got the brass piece to tighten up nicely on the threads of the shift handle, bring our boot up, and that is it. Check it out. Another job in the books, and it's just a little bit better than what it was. All right, I'm happy with that. Okay, so that is that. I am going to now work on the reinstall of the windshield washer fluid pump, get that video out as well. And then the next step, what I'm thinking is these seats are very old. You can see the tears in them. And even on the driver's side, tears are pretty bad. I thought about reupholstering them, which could be cool, but I have been seeing people put S550 seats in their Fox Body Mustangs or SN95s. So maybe something with that in the future. Thanks for watching.